Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to insert a bullets and numbering in Word. Just open a Word document. Suppose there are 4 headings and you need to apply bullets and numbering in these 4 headings. Just select 4 headings and go to the bullets, go to the numbering, and then you can use any numbering which you want. Just click here. If you want to use bullets, you can use any bullets which you want in your document. But I want to use numbering, that's why I click here. And I want to type level 5. Just press enter and type level 5 headings. Press enter, but I don't want to type level 6. I want to type level 5 subheading. How can we type subheading? Just press tab key, keyboard tab key, then it will convert into subheading. But I don't want to type level 5 C. I have to type level 6. Then you can press shift tab key. And type level 6. To insert a subheading, press tab key and main heading shift tab. It is a very good technique in bullets and numbering. You can also multi-level bullets and numbering from here, multi-level list. I just type these 5.1, 5.2, and there are other options as well in multi-level bullets and numbering. You can use any. I type. If you want to shift this level 6 in this position, level 2 position, how can we do that? Just press Alt Shift upper arrow, up arrow. You can press Alt Shift down arrow to move anywhere. It is a good technique, and I press like I don't want level 6 to bullets and numbering part, then I press Ctrl Shift N. It is not a part of bullets and numbering. I press Ctrl Shift N. It is not part of bullets and numbering. You can press Ctrl Z to undo. I think I hope this tutorial will helpful for you. thanks for watching.